Hello guys, so today we are going to develop a simple plugin. Would like to learn how is a plugin structured, how to develop a simple plugin. So by the end of this tutorial, we will have a simple plugin that will be able to post custom posts. Okay, so let us go straight into the tutorial now. Right. I have got a website. This website, that is the website that I will use. Okay, so all right. The first thing when developing a plugin, you go to your local hosts. Okay, you go to your local hosts and create a folder inside the plugins folder. Right, here's the plugins folder. So you click the plugins folder. Inside this folder, that is where you put your folder which will contain files concerning your plugin. So the first thing, let us create a new folder inside this plugins folder. Right, name of our plugin, let's say it's called a name that we're going to like fluffy. Yes, let's call it fluffy. Okay, fluffy. So this is the folder that will contain all our files. Right, so inside this folder, would like to put a PHP file inside this folder. Right, let's open. All right, so I'm using the right yes address. I didn't now create a new file. Let us call this file fluffy.php. All right, create the file. Right, so here is a file fluffy.php. Right, save it. So here we put our code. So a plugin, you've got a standard or a structure that we have to follow. So make it easier, let me just find another plugin that we've already developed. Right, this one. So just copy this code, copy, and put it inside Fluffy. Right. So this is the basic structure of a plugin. So if you see at the top, we opened our PHP, right? Then below this PHP, there's the comment section. Okay, so this is where you put details about your plugin. So the plugin name, our plugin name is Fluffy. This is the name that we picked here at your plugin. This is this name. This is the same name that you find here. Yeah. So our plugin name is Fluffy. Then the plugin URL. Yeah, let's put https www.syrup.co.zw. Right, that is our plugin URL. So this is the URL that you see. Right, then the second one, it's description. The third one is description. So where is the description? This is where you find the description, like this one. This the description. So this is where you put the description. So let us put the description of our plugin. Okay, this is a plugin that allows to custom posts. right? So this is description, then the version. So here you put the version number in this format 1.00. So each time when you update it, you increment the version number. So automatically your plugin is updated. WordPress will pick that this is a new version, this is an old version, and gives an option to update. So let's say, for example, if you add some other code and you updated the code, change it from 1.001, 1.002, like that. Okay, then the author is Yasha. The URL, let us just put the same the same URL here. Okay, right. So after I've put all this, let me just remove this one, right? This, let us come and refresh here. List of our plugins. You can see now, you can see this plugin Fluffy. This is the description that we've put here, the description and the version number. This is the by the author, then the plugin URL. So you can activate it here, you can delete. So you can see now our plugin is now there. So let us now go further and put some code there, right? So is a class, should post a class. Let me that put the name of the class to Fluffy, right? Fluffy, right? So write the function, construct function. So our plugin would like it to perform this function every time a page is loaded. The plugin should posts put a posts right. So the action that we are working to is template redirect. So every time a page is let's say, for example, this is my page, right? So if I click about us, a page is posted, a post is posted here. It should post here automatically, right? So right, function construct add action template. So this is the name of the action hook, and this is the function that is triggered whenever the page is opened, right? So right, this is our function. The title, this is as a variable, right? Let's say fluffy clicked here and there, right? So we get the title of the page that is clicked, right? This is the text of the post. Remember the post with the post title and the post content, right? So I just putting the title and the content, right? The text, the first plugin Ayasha, right? Fluffy, right? So this is the function that he posts in WordPress. WP insert posts array of having the post title and take this variable as the post title. Post type, the post type is a post. It can be a post, it can be a page. So in this case we'd like to a post type of a post. Alright, then post content, you're taking this variable, then put it this like this, right? So this is our function. So every time a page is loaded, or click on any page, this function is triggered. Okay, right. So if we save, if I save, okay, You save and we come here and we reiterate, under plugins, we redirect this plugin, right? Here is our plugin here. Let us activate it, right? Plugin activated. Now a plugin is activated, right? So let us come back to our page, right? We click your services, right? Then go back to our posts. This is our posts. See, we would like to see whether, right, user clicked on this page, right? Just delete this one. We'd like to, and move to trash and apply. All right. Let us click on contact us. Let's contact us. Then let us go. Right, you can see here, user clicked on this page, contact us. If we click on, let's say, so our plugin is working well, okay, right. So this is a simple plugin. So if you want to create your own plugin, this is just the format of how a plugin can be created. All right, so you can put your custom code. There are a lot of action hooks that you can use with template redirect, with a lot of plugins that of hooks that you can use in filters. You can customize your WordPress site using the plugins. So you can see how simple it is, right? Let's say, for example, click on news, then we go to posts and we refresh. Right, you can see here user clicked on this page, news. So by default our posts are being published in the draft as drafts, right? Okay, right. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.